Hello, 안녕하세요. My name is COVID-19. Gulumbe hua COVID kokyo. I am a virus and cousins with the flu. Guyete virus, it ijining the flu. I love to travel. Guyamungi the kaoshi. Since December 2019, I have traveled to nearly all parts of the world. Zitaloka all hindo apakokyo, gudongi mutong valundia deno. People are scared of me because I can jump from person to person, person to surface, and surface to person. Can you spot me? When I come to visit, I bring fever or bow, difficulty breathing or banyo, cough, nong, loss of smell and or taste, or body aches, but I don't stay with people for long and almost everyone gets better. Just like when you get a scrape on your knees and it heals. Bye bye. Shinjido. You can keep yourself safe from me if you wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds each time. You can sing the birthday song, the alphabet song, or simply just count 1 through 20. Stand 6 feet apart or 2 arms apart when in public. And wear a mask that fits properly. If you do all that, I will not come to visit. So that you can stay nice and healthy. While doctors work to find a vaccine that will allow me to come say hi without getting you sick. Provided to you by Hmong Culture Camp Incorporation, located at 364 West 27th Street, Merced, California 95340, in partnership with San Joaquin Valley Health Fund, created by Nutriher, inspired by the Dad's Net.